I saved $200 on this Festool CT36 dust extractor. I want to show you what it came with and exactly how I got this deal. Okay, so to jump into this, I'm going to tell you that this is actually a Festool reconditioned dust extractor. So this comes from Festool itself. This is not a third party. You purchase it through a website that I'm going to show you here in a second. But I want to go over what this came with and the condition it was in. So I received this a couple days ago, went ahead and unboxed it because I didn't know really what to expect, and I was very, very pleasantly surprised. So it came with, there is a full bag in here. It came with all the HEPA filters needed. This is the Bluetooth version, so this is the CT36 EI model. And it also came with their nicer hose option as well. So essentially what came with it was if you buy this brand new. Now the big difference, if you go buy a CT36 EI right now, brand new at a dealer or online, they're gonna be about $1,000. I got this for $799 off of their reconditioned site. The only defect I have found is inside the, we can call it catch basin or the tub where the bag sits. There were a couple black marks. It looked like some rubber marks that actually came off. I can't find anything else. This thing works as expected. The Bluetooth works. I can hook it up to my phone. So I was able to get a bigger vacuum for the same price. I was originally looking at the CT MIDI or the CT26. And I spent $80 more than a CT MIDI and got one that's essentially, I think it's almost twice the size. So this is going to be a great add-on to my garage workshop. This will hook up with all of my tools, table saws, track saws, routers. So I'm very excited to get out and use this more. I'm actually filming this in my house because we are going through that winter storm right now, and I think it's close to 0 degrees outside with the wind chill, so I'm not going to be hanging out in my garage today. So I do want to take you onto the website just to show you what to expect and how to get there and kind of how the website works. Let's jump into that. So before I jump into showing you what this website is, this is not sponsored in any way whatsoever. This is me just trying to help you because some of the comments I've seen is Festool is very expensive, and yes, they are. They are very high quality, but you pay for that quality. This is not sponsored in any means whatsoever, but this is a way for you to maybe be able to get into the Festool world at a discount. And so I just want to share that with y'all. So let's jump into the website here. To get to this website, you're going to go to festoolrecon.com. It is not reconditioned, it is just festoolrecon.com. So you may be confused when you first come to this site like I was. So you're going to see one item. What it seems to me, I haven't had this confirmed or anything or asked anyone within Festool because I don't have those contacts, is it seems like what happens is they have an item come available and then it will come up on this website and it'll either sit here for 4 or 5 days, it seems like, if it doesn't sell, or if it sells then they'll put another one up. So like for instance, when I bought my the CT36, it was up on here and I bought it the day I saw it. I had been budgeting for one, so I was ready to buy. And then the next day there was an auto clean version of the CT36, and then that one's gone, and now we have up here at the moment, this is a Plain X. So some of the differences you will see, do reconditioning tools include a warranty? So I believe Festool, I believe, is a 3-year. The reconditions come with a 1 year. The condition I know is a big piece. This looks brand new. I've seen some of these in dealers and I don't see any difference in terms of quality. Where you can run into some of the limitations because it's a reconditioned site is no returns. If you have any sort of voucher, it looks like you can't use those. And then there is a shipping limitation where they will only ship to the lower 48 United States. So no Alaska, no Hawaii. But the rest of the states, you guys are in luck with this. The other thing you may want to consider is I looked at this, I think on Black Friday, and Black Friday has, it looks like a normal shopping website where there was multiple items to choose from. So you may want to do a little bit more research. I don't know if that was a one-off, but I have seen it once and only one time where you are able to see what they have in this inventory of reconditioned tools. This is definitely somewhere I'm going to continue to look if I'm in the market for something. What this will not allow you to do, though, is impulse buy, or if you need something now, like if a tool of yours broke and you want to upgrade, you aren't going to be able to get one right now unless you get lucky and it's on this website. A great option, I know this is something that maybe a blocker for you to get into the Festool lineup is price, because they are very pricey. This has helped me. I've already done a purchase with this dust extractor. I think you would be relatively safe. I'm not going to say definitely safe, but my experience has been nothing short of tremendous. I'm very excited to get to use this more. But yeah, I just want to give you guys a tip of how you may be able to find some Festool sales or deals, because there are no sales unless they are getting rid of a tool and replacing it with a new version, from what I've been told by some dealers. So hope you guys enjoyed this tip and you hadn't heard it. Please let me know down in the description if there's anything else you may be able to share on this Recon site, because this is a new one for me, but I wanted to make sure that you all saw it. But yeah, if you guys have any questions, please put those down in the comments below and I'll do my best to answer. Thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Hey, you made it to the end. Thanks for that. Please check out our other options for videos, and please don't forget to like and subscribe down below.